Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to download Cookie Run Kingdom on your PC, and it will be a quick and easiest tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, we are already in our BlueStack platform, where we just need to download our BlueStack to use or play Android game or iOS game in computer. So that for reason I'm going to download this. Once I download it, I just need to install it, and the process is really simple. You can do it. It is a quick process. I think it will take only 2 or 3 minutes to install this application in your computer. Once you're done, you just need to visit here. Once you visit here, you just need to copy your game here, Cookie Run. So I am going to search for Cookie Run Kingdom, COOKIE, Cookie Run Kingdom, and then I will hit the enter button. Once I hit the enter button, then you will get lots of suggestion over here. So find out your desired Cookie Run game, then install it. So the process is really simple. Let's install it. Just go over here and install on App Player, download and play. And you need to enable hardware visualization. So I will do it everything after I complete the video. So I hope you understand how easy the process was and how you can do it or install this game in your app. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.